guys, my name is Elena, I'm a graphic designer and welcome to my channel about a graphic design. And today I'm going to show you how to draw those holiday lights. And if you're interested, please keep watching.
We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Okay guys, let's start our tutorial. At first select this color and ellipse tool, and we need to draw ellipse with these options. Okay. Now select direct selection tool, select this point and move it a little down, like this. Now select this shape and effect, transform, 3D start, and here we need to move these points. Okay, like this. Okay, object, expand appearance. Great. Now select this black color and rectangle tool and draw rectangle with these options. Okay, and put it here. Now select all shapes and align them. Select this one and effect, warp, arc, lower, and here -17 and horizontal. Okay. Object, expand appearance. Now move it like this. Okay, great. Now align both shapes. Okay, now select this color and rectangle tool and create one more rectangle. Okay, and move the shape here. Now copy and paste this black shape, select copy and this rectangle and pathfinder intersect. Great. Now select this shape, black and white gradient, radial, and here we need to add this color and here this one. Okay, now select gradient tool and let's play a little with a gradient. Okay, I like it. Now select black and white gradient, radial, and ellipse tool and create ellipse like this. Make it a little wider and longer. Okay, now select gradient tool and make the shape of the gradient like our shape of the ellipse, and you need to push here on the top like this. Okay, now select that new ellipse, opacity and screen. Great. You can make it more longer and again more wider. Great. Now select it and move here. Okay, now it's ready. Copy and paste it and make 4 copies like this, and let's add new colors here. Here green, here pink, and here red, and one more time paste our light and select it, and blue one. Great. Now let's group this one and this one and this one and this one and the last one. Great. And now let's select black color in the stroke and brush tool with these options. And now let's draw the wire. You can draw like me, or you can draw your own wire as you like. It's just an example. Select this one and let's put it here, and this one here. Guys, it's my vision. You can make your own design, as I said, like this. And the last one, red. Now let's look closer. Here perfect, here great, here we need to move a little. Let's look here, a little mistake. Let's turn it like this and a little down. Okay, and the last one, here a little move here. Okay, let's look, it's great. Now select that color and rectangle tool and hold shift and draw the square. Move center back. Okay, now we need to select ellipse tool and draw ellipse like this. Black and white gradient, radial, and for pink one we need this pink color and opacity screen, and move this highlight here. Now copy and paste it and move here, and here yellow. Now you can copy and paste it or just paste, and here blue, again paste, and here red, and the last one paste, and here green. Okay, now you see the ellipses behind our background. So copy and paste this background, bring to front, select these three ellipses and background, and make clipping mask. Okay, that's great, guys. Our holiday lights are ready. That's all for today, guys. If you like my tutorial, give me a like and subscribe. And see you in the next tutorials in Adobe Illustrator or in the next videos about a graphic design. Have a happy winter holidays. Bye bye, guys. Mwah.